Hi guys, SouthAfrica here. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. This is Johannesburg for you on a sunny day. This is really a sunny day. Can you see the sun there? My amazing city of Johannesburg, painted very badly, yet this is quite a cool place to be. So these are the cleaners for the municipality. I think they're working out under the municipality. Am I right? If I'm wrong, correct me. Great shops here. Nice shops. Shit. Look at this. That is an African attire, and this place looks like it's mostly for that. Look at even this other area. Someone would have to tell me where this road is, street is. Shit. It's amazing. Mali in London for Oh. How much is it? 350. Okay, ngiyabonga. Thank you. That's 350. I think there is a sewerage that burst somewhere, and it has been running, and I can see they are cleaning. See, this place has been cleaned and with water and soap. Yeah, but you hear people saying Joburg is dirty. Yeah, some other places it is dirty, but this is good. This is good. Look, can you see some soap down there? Some soap has been used to clean this area. So this tells me they're smart. Joburg people are smart. Don't tell me it's dirty. It's not everywhere that is dirty. You see, the thing is, when there is a portion, can you see here? There are plastic bags. And what do you call this? This is a dust rubbish bin, right? But can you see that? Okay, everything. Look at this. This place, person is cleaning, and look at this place, right? So, can you look at this pavement? Can you see dirty? And this is Johannesburg. So these people, they show you the dirty to paint the whole city dirty, of which the whole city is not dirty. It is dirty where it is. The same thing as you hear about crime and all that stuff. Like in any country there is crime, right? I'm always saying this. And yes, it can happen to anyone. It can happen to me anywhere. It can. I don't dispute that. It can. But it's not something that you can paint the whole country and say Joburg is a city. It's a country. It's a city for, you know, for crime and all that stuff. I say no to that. I don't. Let me ask you this, Baba. Sabonabo. All right, man. Igama la street yini konje? Let's street less. Yini igama la diagonal. Oh, diagonal. Ngiyabonga ne?
Ile
Oh, diagonal. Okay, yeah, exactly there. Ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga ne? Thank you, my friend. Okay, so the street that we are walking in is diagonal, all right? Oh. I'm just walking, especially when you're vlogging. You might lose interest, you might lose focus, I mean. Yeah. So this is diagonal street. Let's go down with this diagonal street. Actually, somewhere there, something very fascinating and interesting, I can tell you. Just wait, we are getting there now. These amazing buildings up there. Can you see that? What's the name of this building? Can anyone tell me who's from Joburg or anyone who knows this building? What's this building here? It's beautiful. Nicely built. And also down there, look at that building there. Then you tell me Joburg is dirty. Come on. What are you talking about? What planet are you coming from? Joburg is not dirty. Don't paint Joburg dirty because of a certain street, because of a certain portion of Johannesburg that is dirty. Places like near MTN there. No, come on. Better say no. Maybe you see it differently, I don't know. If you do, let me know in the comment down below. This is only my observation, so I always say that. Nice close there. You see that? My beautiful Africa. Traditional clothing there. Can you see Joburg for you guys? Is it dirty? I don't know, but I don't see it. Look at that. There's a trash here and there is a bin here. That means that trash there, it's just waiting for the truck to come, for the municipality, you know. That's all. So it has been set at the right position, portion of the waste. I mean, for it to get disposed by the municipal workers. Actually, those are the ones who are cleaning and making it like that. So don't tell me Joburg is dirty. I would say no, you're lying. So yeah, we are in Joburg, guys, and this is the city of Johannesburg, the gold city of Johannesburg. This is the one, guys. So if you go down there, actually you will be going to Bree taxi rank. Yeah, that's a Bree taxi rank at that side. And there is a KFC just next to Bree taxi rank. Those people who are staying here in Johannesburg, or you've been here in Johannesburg, I think you know what I'm talking about. That is that is the Bree taxi rank for you there. All right. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cross over there. Let's cross over here and go up. Okay, or let's just go up this way instead. Shit. ATMs around. Isn't that good? You can easily draw your money from that side. So let's go up a little bit. I don't see that here. Even the places that I was thinking maybe the places might not be looking that good. I'm surprised. I don't see dirty. Can you guys? I don't see it. Good work is happening here. Right. Carry on with our journey. Let's go up. Walking the street of Johannesburg, guys. So this street actually is Simmons. Coming from down there, this street is called Simmons. Right? Now we know Simmons, guys, when we are here going up there. So let's carry on with this street. Let's jump here. I love what I see here. It's smart after all. Let's see that here. Do you see that, guys? Let me know if you have. Let's carry on with our walk. Like the video, guys, if you enjoy. This is your best way of supporting the channel. See, everything is packed. This is good. So it's not just like dirty everywhere. What I've like heard many saying. Those myths. Alright, so let's go. Let's cross this road. Let's cross the street actually. Let's go this way. Let's cross the streets. Aha, someone's selling some nachos here. Who knows this street actually? I'm in the main street. This is the main street for the taxi. I think it's Bree. Right? I think it has got another name. Johannesburg for you guys. So these people, they are really cleaning. Can you see? There's a lot of dirty that's supposed to be here, but you see it's been already taken away. So can you see? Tell me that. And these places, they are really busy. guys, really busy, that there is a lot of trash that is being you know, thrown away. So I mean, check on that. I'm just trying to prove a certain point. I don't know if I'm wrong, but just prove me wrong if I'm not right. Just prove me wrong. But this is what I think, this is what I see on the ground right now, because I'm here and I'm witnessing that. This is Johannesburg for you, and it's a better place to be. You can enjoy it here. No ways you cannot enjoy it. Hectic, I can't pass here, but it is hectic. Not really hectic. There's a banana for R1 here. Let me just buy 2. Hello, Bafo. Any banana? R1 ne? Support for you. But just bought 2 bananas here at the cost of R1 each. Yeah, what do you think? And I'm eating it right away. This is Johannesburg for you guys. I hope you are enjoying this vlog. If you are, please make sure you subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please just push that like button. Just push it for your boy, man. Just like the video, guys. Joburg is beautiful, don't you think, guys? Amazing. Make sure when you need to throw everything in the butt like this. When you eat your banana, this is really nice. Okay guys, it was really amazing having you here on the streets. We're gonna be doing more streets, and make sure you keep on watching these videos because more is coming, more for Joburg, right? So I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye for now. Ciao.